How to make money online for beginners. Want to make money online but have no experience? From gig work to online surveys, these ideas are perfect for beginners looking to earn extra cash online. Looking to make money online but not ready to start a full-fledged business? There are several inroads to making extra money on the internet, even if you have no skills or experience. From side gigs to selling used stuff to offering tutoring services, there are many ideas suited to beginners like you. The recommendations ahead are lower effort and require fewer technical skills than some of the conventional ways to make money online. This video covers what's needed to get started, the skills or tools required. 1. Sell your stuff secondhand. One of the quickest ways to earn cash fast is selling stuff online. Clean out your storage and sell anything you don't use, including furniture, toys, tools, gaming equipment, and home decor. Local and online marketplaces like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and VerageSale are great places to sell your stuff. Best for those looking to make money online quickly. Startup time, less than an hour. Effort level, low. Time to first payment varies, depending on the online selling sites you're using to sell your items. What to know. Each marketplace has its own rules and fees. Make sure you understand them before you sign up. If you're interested in Facebook Marketplace, read our guide on how to sell on Facebook. The Shopify Starter Plan is ideal for beginners looking to dip their toes into selling online. 2. Look for side gigs. Side gigs are the classic way to earn money while keeping a full-time job. Side gigs that help you earn money online include data entry, transcribing, manual labor, virtual assistant work, or administrative tasks. Use platforms like Fiverr or TaskRabbit to create side gigs. You can also consider food delivery or driving as a side gig, making money through apps like Uber. Level up. Once you gain experience and clients through a marketplace, set up a simple e-commerce site and sell specific tasks or take on custom jobs earning directly from your clients. Best for those looking to make money online quickly. Startup time, less than an hour. Effort to start, medium. Time to first payment varies depending on the freelance marketplace or app you use. What to know. Some side gig marketplaces require an upfront fee to sign up, so read the fine print carefully. Review the side gig marketplace's payment schedule to make sure it works for you. In most cases, you will only require a solid internet connection and a device. 3. Participate in market research. Market research companies often are looking for consumers to test websites, try products or software like video games or apps, and provide feedback or reviews. Find opportunities like this on sites like UserTesting. Best for those interested in the latest trends and products. Startup time, a few minutes to create an account on each site. Effort level, low to medium, depending on the format. Time to first payment varies by service and platform. What to know. Some sites require a minimum balance before they pay out your earnings. Most market research sites require participants to be 18 years of age or older. You'll receive an email when a project goes live, but you have to act fast or someone else will take it. 4. Become a virtual assistant. You can make money online from the comfort of your own home by becoming a virtual assistant VA. This means you can provide services to clients in any part of the world. Tasks may include data entry, content creation, monitoring social media accounts, or managing calendars. Best for those looking to make money online from home. Startup time, a few hours. Effort to start, low. Time to first payment depends on the terms set by your employer or the online platform where you secured the gig. What to know. Some clients are looking for specific skills in a VA. Be sure to list all your skills and highlight your strengths to stand out. Standard career listing sites will have VA job listings, as will freelance sites like Upwork and Fiverr. 5. Rent your belongings. The sharing economy is upon us. There's no need to buy things like lawnmowers, small power tools, cars, and household appliances if you only need them for a short while. Your house could be filled with underused things that others would like to rent. Sites like Friendwith make it possible to rent products like this and earn extra cash. Level up, finding success with renting your belongings. Why not build your own clothing brand and rent a specific type of product like wedding dresses or start a tool rental business? Best 4. Making money online quickly and consistently. Owners of items in high demand in the rental market. Startup time: an hour or 2 to upload your products to relevant sites and to browse listings. Effort level: low. First payout: usually immediately, but check the terms of each rental platform. 6. Become a content consumer. In a 2023 episode of the Search Engine Podcast, guest and journalist Taylor Lawrence predicted content consumer as a job of the future. A growing phenomenon among Gen Z freelancers and internet-savvy job seekers, content consumers are for-hire assistants that can help internet personalities and businesses consume content on social media to spot trends, aggregate news, and stay current in the online landscape. Level up. Content consumption and content creation can go hand in hand. If you become versed in internet and social media trends, you could be an asset for companies looking for content creators and potentially make more money online. In a 2023 episode of the Search Engine Podcast, guest and journalist Taylor Lawrence predicted content consumer as a job of the future. 7. Start freelancing. An increasingly popular home business idea is offering freelance services to clients online. Copywriting, graphic design, translation, and digital marketing are common freelance opportunities offered by businesses today. Use freelance marketplaces like Upwork, 99 Designs, or People Per Hour, and set up a simple website to showcase your portfolio of work. Level up. Templatize your expertise and sell it as digital products like PDF guides. That's how Jack Butcher scaled his brand, Visualize Value. With this idea, you can sell the same content over and over to make consistent money online. 8. License your photography to stock photo websites. Have a great eye for photography. A quick way to earn cash for your work is to license your photos to stock sites, like iStock. You can also upload images to free stock sites like Burst to help build up your name as a photographer. 9. Resell or consign your clothing. Selling your unwanted clothes and accessories is a popular way to earn cash fast and clear clutter at the same time. Mobile apps like Depop, Poshmark, and Craigslist offer easy ways to upload clothing photos and descriptions without needing to build a brand or website. Sell your goods to local buyers only or offer to ship. 10. Take online surveys. One of the fastest ways to make money online for beginners is completing online surveys. There are many survey sites and mobile apps that pay users to give their opinion on anything from their shopping behaviors to how they feel about specific product categories. These surveys help brands make business decisions or create new products. That's all for today's video. If you guys liked the video, please make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Thanks for watching.